Happy Monday, Athens and North Georgia. I'm student meteorologist Emily Kirk here with your North Georgia weather forecast. We've got a very hot Monday for you. If you haven't noticed already, we've got summer afternoon thunderstorms in your forecast ahead, and we are also watching the Florida Gulf Coast again for some tropical development. Now, right now, we're sitting at around 92 degrees, and we feel like 98 degrees, and that's actually because we are in a heat advisory for the central and eastern portions of the state. Now, this heat advisory means that our feels-like temperatures are at least 105 degrees and above, and that is in effect until 8 p.m. tonight. So if you do have to be outside today, stay hydrated and watch the kids and watch the elderly for signs of heat stroke and heat exhaustion. Now, our high today is going to be around 97 degrees and will be mostly sunny. So if our high is 97 degrees, our feels-like temperature is going to be around 104, 105 degrees, very, very hot today. Tonight, our low is going to be 74 degrees and will be partly cloudy. And we do have a few showers in the forecast for your afternoon, evening hours. Today, around 5 p.m., we've got some showers in the Athens area, and then throughout the evening, we may see a shower here and there in North Georgia. Throughout Tuesday morning, you are going to be pretty clear, and then around 3 p.m., here comes those summer afternoon thunderstorms coming into North Georgia, and then throughout the night, they actually start to develop into this pretty nice, strong line of storms in Athens, and here in Atlanta, that's where we're going to see a lot of the impacts, and then instead of kind of moving south, it kind of moves more towards the west and kind of sticks around here in Athens and Atlanta. You want to make sure you're paying attention for the risk of lightning, heavy downpours, and potential for flash flooding. With those storms, tomorrow we're going to see highs in the low 90s, 92, 93 degrees here in Athens. And we're going to look at the tropics now. We've actually got this area of interest in the Gulf again. Now, in the next 2 days, we're expecting to see a 10% chance of formation, and in the next 30 days, in the next 7 days, a 30% chance of formation. And it is pretty similar to the setup that started Tropical Storm Chantal. So we're going to see if that decides to kind of follow the same pattern or deviate and do something different. You'll find out here at the Weather Dogs as we get further into the week. Now, over the next 7 days, we aren't going to really see much of a change in the forecast. We've got highs in the low 90s for the rest of the week and into the weekend, and then those rain chances are not going anywhere. Every day this week, you want to make sure you've got your umbrella on you, you've got your raincoat, and if you've got those outdoor plans, make sure you bring them inside or maybe postpone them to a drier week. Thank you for watching, and go Dogs!